Hi, I'm Adam with Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California. We're just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California. We have over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, lathes, grinders, and much more. Today we're going to show you a very nice machine just came in. It's a closing 17 by 80 lathe, 17 inches in the swing here, over 80-inch centers. This machine comes with a heavy-duty tool post, a 3-jaw chuck, and a 4-jaw chuck. Everything is running. It's been cleaned, painted, cycled. It comes with a 30-day warranty. Go ahead and turn it on. Right here we've engaged the threading. You see it spinning here. Lathes are in good condition. There's a little bit of scoring right here. As expected, it's usually the area where most lathes are used. Here you can see the thread dial. Go ahead and change speed. It's pretty quick to change the speeds on this one, just got to line up the colors. You see the brake work, stop the chuck right away. Speed. If you're interested in this lathe or any others, we have many in stock. Please give us a call, 626-444-0311, or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.